Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to track your charity donations in Notion, a powerful tool that helps you stay organized and accountable. First things first, open up Notion and create a new page titled Charity Donations. This will be your dedicated space for tracking your donations. The reason we do this is to maintain a separate area in Notion specifically for your charitable contributions, making it easier to manage and review. Now that we've done that, let's create a table on this page. Click on the plus add a block button, then select Table. In this table, we'll be keeping track of the donations. This helps us because tables are a visually clear and easy way to organize information. Next up, let's customize our table. Add the following columns: charity name, date, donation amount, and purpose. Charity name and purpose should be text columns, date a date column, and donation amount a number column. This helps us because each column represents a key piece of information about each donation. Now, every time you make a donation, you'll add a new entry in your table. For example, if you donate $50 to a local food bank today, you would enter local food bank under charity name, today's date under date, 50 under donation amount, and perhaps feeding the community under purpose. Let me explain why this matters. Tracking donations in this way allows you to see at a glance where your money is going, how often you're donating, and why you chose to support certain causes. It's a fantastic way to stay mindful of your charitable activities and can even help come tax season. The final step is to review and update your table regularly. Regularly reviewing your donations can help you spot trends, understand your giving habits better, and make more informed decisions about future donations. And there you have it. You now know how to track your charity donations using Notion. This is an effective and easy way to manage your charitable giving, ensuring you stay organized and intentional about your contributions. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tracking.